Hello, my dear viewers. This is the Dukas Copy Academy, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Today is 9th of February 2024. The day is Friday. There may not be a lot of movement today because of the market is going to close today. Well, let me introduce myself. Myself, Rakesh Kumar. I am Dukas Copy's trading community member. Kindly, don't think that I am an employee of Dukas Copy Bank. I'm not their employee, therefore whatever I'm going to talk about here in this webinar, they are my own views. It has nothing to do with the Dukas Copy Bank. Now you might be thinking that why you are here, what value you can get from this webinar. Well, after watching this webinar, you will have a clear-cut idea about the key support and resistance levels of all the Forex major pairs, around which you can actually create your trading setups with good risk to reward ratio. And if it is not worth it, I will not be discussing it. So it's better if you can keep your charts on and compare your levels with my levels and see how they are being followed in the markets or not. All right. So in this analysis, we'll be using the candlestick type of charts to find the key levels, and we'll see how we can use those key levels into our trading. I will be taking the questions from the viewers at the end of the session, so please feel free to ask your questions in the chat box. Before I start my charts, I must tell you that whatever I say in this live stream is only for information or the knowledge. Please do not take it as a trading advice and do your own research before you put your money in the live account. So let's start a session by opening the chart. But before I open my charts, I must take you through this standard risk disclaimer, the risk that is associated with trading the foreign exchange, because we are talking about foreign exchange here. And when you talk about the foreign exchange, the first currency that comes in your mind is the US dollar. So that's why the first thing that we are going to discuss is the US dollar index. So this is on your screen, the live chart of the US dollar index. Right now it is trading at 104.01, or you can say 104.00. Right now you might be thinking, oh, this is green candle, red candle, so therefore the price is going down. But no, we have to see through the market structure where the price is headed. As of now, in my opinion, the price is headed upwards. This is just a consolidation in the form of a channel that we have created. I'm expecting an up move very soon, and I'm targeting 105.90 on the upside. On the way, yes, there is a slight resistance around 104.46, but also there is a dynamic resistance by this falling channel. The support lies around 103.66 and 102.75. Now the point here is that 102.75 is a solid support below which I will not be a buyer in the US dollar. So essentially speaking, if the price goes below 102.75, I will start looking for selling opportunities in this market. Till the time 102.75 is holding, we'll only be looking for the buying opportunities so that we can filter out the trades which we do not want to do. Talking about the euro has hit the resistance zone. 1.0796 was the first level of resistance. The ultimate resistance is 1.0897. So in my opinion, there is a possibility that from this resistance only price can reverse, or if it starts going close to 1.0897, it should reverse to the downside. So downside is open towards 1.0656, which is my target. If you go to the 1 hour, you will see that this channel is holding very well as of now, and I'm expecting this channel to break to the downside. When it does so, I'll start looking for selling opportunities again. Right now also I'm looking for selling opportunities but not buying opportunities, but that confirmation will come only when this channel breaks to the downside. Next is the pound against the US dollar. Similar is the case. Now you see 50% retracement from this fall is posing some resistance to the price, but here there looks like that this is an ascending triangle, and I think this ascending triangle can take the price back towards this falling channel. You see the price was falling in a very good channel, and I'm expecting the price to go to this channel again before it gets sold off very fast, in a very fast rate. The bias is still bearish, okay, but right now on 1 hour it looks like bullish, but on the daily it is bearish, and on the daily it will turn bullish only and only if the price trades above this. So that is if the price trades above 1.2772. So yes, the bias is bearish, but I think the price will reverse from 1.2675 area to the 1.2500 area. So let's see how the things unfold. Right now it looks like that it is being rejected at 50%, but I am expecting 50% to get broken and the price to reach 1.2675. Australian dollar, very good downtrend here. I have not created the channel, but I'm sure that if I create a channel, then it may find resistance there also. Right now 0.6453 is exposed in this market. On the upside, the resistance is 0.6625. These are the two key levels for this pair. Now here the price has finally broken higher in the New Zealand dollar. We had anticipated this move because of the this bullish divergence here. The price the price made a next low, but the RSI did not make any lower low though. So this is a divergence and the price broke this trend line. So it is possible that price will go to 0.6174 also, and maybe even beyond that. But then again, I'll be looking for the selling opportunity in this market already. Right now, resistance for me is 0.6174. Support ultimate is 0.5940. USD CHF, although there is an up move here, the price is making higher highs and higher lows, but I am expecting a downtrend only below 0.8821. If the price starts trading above 0.8821, then maybe I will start looking for buying opportunities. But till the time the price is trading below 0.8821, I'm not looking for the buying opportunity in the USD CHF. So I am against this trade of buying the USD CHF at current levels. USD CAD, as we had discussed, that this channel may be posing some support to the price if it comes here, and you can see that this is what has happened. Right now it is giving us a bullish pin bar on the daily. There is a possibility of the price continuing towards 1.3620, which is the resistance. The support is dynamic in nature, which is being posed by this rising channel, and the ultimate support is 1.3359, below which I will not be keeping this buying trade. Very nice opportunity there was in the USD JPY when there was a break and retest here. Although if we have taken, then fine. If not, then now the price is very close to take out the liquidity above 149.75. I think when that happens, when the price goes above this, it will shoot to the downside very fast towards 147.61 and maybe also 145.89. So that is my say. There is a high probability that the price will break 149.75 to the upside and then immediately come down to sell off. This is what my anticipation is. Why? Because there's a lot of liquidity here, I think, and that liquidity taken down, then the price can reverse. Resistance is 149.75, the support is 147.61 in USD JPY. So the majors are complete now. We are at the New Zealand dollar against the Canadian. The Canadian is actually falling now. I don't know why the Canadian dollar is falling, but yes, New Zealand dollar is rising a lot, and it has already hit the resistance zone, which I was expecting to act as a huge resistance. Now this time, if this resistance does not hold, then the price will open up its way for 0.8417, which is a huge leap for the New Zealand dollar against the Canadian. In case we see a close above 0.8278, this is bound to happen. So be very careful when you're trading New Zealand CAD. Now the selling may not be an option if the price closes a day higher than that. Bitcoin very nicely moving. 49021 was the target that we have given yesterday. This week, at least Saturday or Sunday, you can expect 49021 in this market very soon. Above that, we have high targets also. We have 52089 and 59235 coming up next. Sorry. In the Brent, very nice symmetrical triangle here. Today's resistance is around 8340. Tomorrow it may come around 8328 or something. The volumes are decreasing, the price is going down, that definitely the volumes are decreasing. That means there is a possibility that the sellers will jump in again here and push the prices down again towards this side. Although the bias is bearish below 84.62, with the target of 72.33, we can carry the trade if we are looking for selling opportunities in this one. Gold, we think that this is a buying market, although the price is being rejected at the higher levels, but 2088 is the level that I'm looking for in this market, with the support of 2002 in my mind. So support is 2002, resistance is 2088. This is all about today's webinar. And Bain is one particular stock which I'm bearish at. I think it will reach 26 or maybe 25 also in next week or so. So that's all guys from my side. If you have any particular question about today's webinar, you can ask me in the chat box provided. If you have any suggestion or contribution you want to make, or if there is any specific thing that you want to discuss, you can ask me in the chat box. All right, I see there is no question. And even if you're watching this live stream after it has been published, you can feel free to please send me the questions that you have. I will be trying to answer them in the form of the replies to your questions. Please, I hope that you know about the support and the resistance levels that are of interest in coming hours and days. Just remember to only risk 1% of your capital on any single trade, and look for a potential profit of more than 3 times the risk that you're going to take. With this note, again, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this video useful for you. You can leave your suggestions in the comment section like I was saying, and consider subscribing to the channel for more such webinars. Have a good day. Thank you very much for watching. See you on Monday. Bye bye. Take care.